My name's Taylor, as you can see by my name tag.
My name's Wilson, as you can see by my name tag.
Wherever it might be, floating in space. Well, in this episode, we put this motor back in. As you can see, we're already there. But shoot the gas! We got a slight fitment issue with these budget downpipes. We made up some of the space, but it doesn't quite do it on the bottom. It's still a massive gap.
The bottom feels better than the top.
It's not square. Oh, my hand.
Right, that looks pretty flush now. Oh, dude, she's good to fire up right now.
The motor for the 7 Series is pretty close to being ready to go in. There's like a couple-ish things to do. That's gonna go on. AC pump's gonna go on. This transmission, it's a little bit dirty, or early. All kinds of early. Ugh. Gross. Let's get after it. Brought in the muscles. We're both gonna double team the engine onto the transmission. Nope, we're actually gonna use the hoist.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. It was a big moment. These things are hopefully going back together for the last time. Now I just jinxed it. Frick.
Jack her up. Keep going, keep going. Gotta get those 2 pups to mate up.
Watch this. This is way easier to roll.
I guess that's true.
She's a big girl. I think first thing tomorrow, we're gonna hoist this bee up. Get shoehorn in there. Hey, we about to put this thing in that thing. This is actually looking really majestic with that light coming through the window. Wow, so cool. We got an old Gibu, fresh Gibu on here. Old Gibu. This old Gibu is freaking Gibalooted. Fresh Gubu. Gibber, jabber, jibber.
Alright, going for it.
That's good, that's good.
Right here. Oh. Why is this so fucking
Tilted?
Yeah.
Cause this fucking engine hoist is shit. Hey, you want hollow bolts?
Yep.
That's not gonna work.
What's hitting?
It's hitting in the back here on the intake manifold. That's not how it goes. Alright, now let's pull it. Alright. And honestly, transmission maybe too.
Yeah, once you say so.
Exact reason why I did not bolt the torque converter to the flywheel.
Yeah.
You could always just drop the subframe.
Taylor didn't put the pump on. Does this gotta go in anymore? No, there's no need.
Can you hold it from spinning? Jesus Christ, shut your mouth. Shut up, man, hold the engine.
You did one job.
You have one fucking job right now, dude. One job.
Torqued. For the audience out there, you only torque a few things on a motor, and it's not an AC pump.
What are those things?
your crank bolt. That's one.
Sounds pretty important.
Anything with the drive system.
Well, the other thing is you never not reuse stuff that they tell you to reuse. Like the crank bolt. Reuse that shit. I don't give a f. BMW is full of shit. It's gonna stay on there. There's probably a really good reason for not reusing it, but for science, those stupid Germans. Here in America, we develop cars with a small team of people. Over in Germany, it takes a f***ing city. Yes, man.
BMWs, I never liked them anyway.
Like 5% of BMWs ever sold are still on the road.
It's these hoses that fucking suck. The
What kind of holes do they say?
D-hole. Dick hole.
So I kind of want to just give it one more shot like this.
You know what, Taylor? You're coming out today. Let's go.
Out.
Let's fucking shove it. We're putting our eyes closed. Actually, question that. What happens if we try to lift the motor like right here with both? This one goes right
I think we could actually be better off if we adjusted this. Back her out.
Beat the race, dude. It's going.
Are you okay?
Oh, sit down.
Oh yeah, sit the fuck down, dude. I feel like I should just be riding this thing in fucking space, dude. Yeah! We have a bag rider's cowboy hat. I really want to make a motorcycle out of this thing. Ring ring. And it makes it 2 times worse or 2 times better. Can you let it out again? Something smells like vomit. Is it me? Is it Wilson? It's one of us. It's definitely one of us. Myself. So.
It's like impossible to push this thing straight.
Yo, go. Okay. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Okay. Let her down just about 6 inches, 4 inches. I don't know. Even numbers.
This thing sucks, dude. Alright, going down a little.
Nice.
I think once we get past that line, we're good, dude. And I can reach in there. Hey, what if we do this, Taylor? Why don't we put a jack under the car and jack up the trans?
Do that. That's smart. Okay.
Hold it.
Hey, listen.
Hey.
Hold on. Keep going. Okay. We're making noise up there.
Alright, you want to check?
Yeah.
We might want to start dropping the motor down a little, right?
Yeah.
Like right there.
Like push down on it right here. Does that help? Fuck you! Bless your soul! Bless the walk! Bless your soul, otherwise you'll go to hell. Can you line her up for me? Can you see? Oh, I'm in. I'm in. Are you in?
Oh, I'm in the hole.
Are you in?
Are you in the hole?
Are you in the hole?
Can you hear me now?
And then, okay, I think we're ready to go down a little bit more.
Check the size of everything inside, you know? That's in the mounts there, bud.
Oh!
That's in the mounts!
We're throwing this in the trash right after this.
Look at that. Boom.
Haha! Motor's back in. Well, not secured. It's resting in the car right now. Wilson and I, with the help of Peter and Finn, got this thing in here. A little bit of a tight squeeze. Had to do some tricks, but she's in. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is make sure it's secure with transmission cross member and bolting in the motor mounts. And then from there, I am gonna start buttoning up the front of this. So all the coolant stuff and oil, plumbing, fun, stuff like that. It's kind of like putting a spaceship back together. Here's a little bit of what I'm dealing with. This is how we get it up incrementally, because we're gonna pigeonhole ourselves. Shows a little tilty whirl. I'm gonna go around. Give her a few more beans. Till it starts giving me some resistance. Go back around. Give her a little bit more. Give this a little bit more. And repeat. Rinse and repeat. Until the motor falls off. Alright. Woo-wee, here we go. I put the Gibo on a little prematurely. All right, motor is secure. Motor mount's torqued, transmission cross member torqued. I've got a couple of things. I'm gonna connect this drive selector thing. And then I got these last two guys torqued up, down, whatever you wanna say. And she's coming right along. We're close, I'm excited. And this thing is one major step closer to being back on the road. Big milestone today, so.
What's happening?
Let's double check. We could first start up with this car in a couple of months. All right. She's ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, she says she's ready. You ready?
Nope. We all ready, baby.